Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 2. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is Transportation. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, under the title of writing, we are going to learn numbers in tens in words. Numbers in tens in words. And we'll cover the SLO. Before this, I would like to tell you, in your grade 1, I have tell you counting. I hope you remember, and we learnt about numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what we are going to learn further, and we'll cover the SLO to write numbers in tens in words. This is our today's SLO. So beta, let's first tell me, how do we count? We count by saying the numbers, right? If we want to count anything, we start numbering. The way it's 1. And if I keep doing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 blocks altogether. Okay. So if I take 1, I say 1. But if I want to take 10, I'll keep counting till 10 and I'll make a pile of 10. Okay. Likewise, if I further want to count, what I'll do, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, it becomes 20. So when I keep counting in tens, okay, it is called numbers in tens. Are you getting it? So I'll keep counting 10 more and I'll add it. It becomes, it's 10, then it's 20, then it's 30, again more 10, it becomes 40, then more 10, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. This is how we number in tens. Number in 10 means 10 things at a time, then another 10, then another 10, then another 10, and it becomes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So when there are many things together, instead of keep counting from 1 till 100, we make bunches of 10 things at a time, and then we count how many 10s are there. So if it's 5, it means it's 50. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if 5 10s are there, the numbers are 50. You got the idea to number in tens? All right. So the next thing is how to write number in tens. The way we count and we write in numbers, likewise we may count and write in words. 10, T-E-N, 10. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. 30, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. 50, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 60, S-I-X-T-Y, 60. 70, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. 80, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. 100, H-U-N-D-R-D-R-E-D, 100. This is called numbers in tens, and this is called numbers in tens in words. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. You got it? It's not that difficult. That's good. So once again, I'm going to explain it to you. If I keep piling up 10 blocks, it's 10. And other 10, it becomes 20. Another 10, it becomes 30. Another 10, it becomes 40 and 50 and 60 and 70 and 80 and 90 and 100. And the way I speak, Likewise, we can write in words. You got it? So, to write in tens, to count in tens, we need to count 10 sets of tens, and we just need to write 10 words. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 100. Oh, sorry, huh? You got it? Are you clear? Okay, teachers, here you can pause the video and make sure every student is clear with the concept, because after this we are going to practice from book. Yes, my dear children, are you clear with it? Good job, you are my smart children. So, here is count the objects and write the number in words in the given space. Okay, so here is the object. You will count it and you will write number over here in the space given. Okay, so it starts from this point and it goes on. Okay, beta, here I just want to do one for you. How will you do it? Here we count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we make a pack of 10. Okay, another pack of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's another pack of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another pack of 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another pack of 10. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pack of 10s. It means 10, 20, 30 and 40. So you will write 40 here in the space given. So all of you now pause the video and complete this exercise in your book. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? I hope you are smart and now you know how to count in tens and how to write in tens. Wonderful. So I'm giving you an activity. Work in groups. Cut colorful papers in small shapes according to tens. Okay, teachers? For example, cut 10 yellow short papers and then 10 red and blue and different. So paste those papers on a chart and write numbers in tens in words on the chart. Read the chart loudly in class. So make groups of these students and do this activity. Yes, my dear children, you did it. Good job. So it's a time for your homework. Write in your notebook numbers in words from 1 to 100 in tens. And I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, my fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you will do? You will read these words and you will tell how many tens are there in each number. So in this way, what we have learned? We learned the numbers in tens. We practice counting numbers in tens and we wrote numbers in tens in words from 1 to 100. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to write numbers in tens in words. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.